Harriet, how are you? Thank you so much for submitting your first chapter of your thesis. The name of the thesis is amazing. It's a bit long though, but I understand that you can't make many changes now. It's all right. It looks good. No need for the period here at the end. And I'm not sure if we could, yeah, we could stretch it all the way like that. I just added here, you need to add your name, your program name, the year of submission. We can also put the year of submission, in fact, somewhere here if you want. I took the liberty of adding some, well, you know what, put this back. And here, put the year of submission. I took the liberty of adding the logo of our university. You have a very nice way of writing. I love the way that you write. I just made the little changes. I want to show you here how to insert a page break. This means that whenever you add anything here, like look, I'm going to add so many things here. What happens is this chapter will always start at the top of this page, yeah? So we don't need this. This is just a dross right there. So here we go. So I added here also a numbering. Okay, so I'm gonna add for this one before and after spacing. So I'm gonna add maybe 12 and 12, let's say. Yeah, that would be nice. I'm gonna copy that, and now you are ready, honey, for a chapter 2. So you're gonna insert here a page break, right? And then with the page break, I'm gonna just type in. I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, something happened, something is up, no problem. So this should be chapter 2, right? Okay, so I hope that you know about the format painter. This is a very good way to copy all the formatting of the headings or any paragraph. So you can see here that now you have chapter 2 also with the 12 spacing. So now when you start, you have here a chapter 3, yeah? And then you name the chapter. So this would be chapter 2, and then you name the chapter, right? So that would be probably literature review. Okay? Here we go. Good. Having this said, maybe we need to insert here a page break. If you want, you can just, you know, this will fatten up the the thesis a little if you start each chapter with the head of the page. Okay, so now having this done, I want to show you how to do the numbering, the sub-numbering. You probably know how to do it, but I'm just gonna show you one more time, or show you how to do it here. So you need one sub 1, right? So then, okay, define number formatting. So here we have number format left, introduction. Okay. And I want to set the numbering value, and I see. I kind of forgot how to do this. Wait a minute. Here we go. All right, got it. So I'm going to just right click and I'm going to go here, right? And I'm going to go over here. So again, I'm going to still. Okay, so it's not this numbering, it's the one next to it. So I'm going to do it again. So over here, okay, I see. Okay, so now we got the 1.1 that we're looking for. Okay. Wait. Okay, So now we got the 1.1 we're looking for. Okay, so it's not in the numbering now. They have it separately. Okay, so now delete this. You have 1.1. You can automate this with the, wait a minute. How about we add some spacing also? Let's add 6 and 6. How about that? Yeah? Yeah. So now we can just take the format painter. Wait a minute. We can do that. And here we go, 1.2. Yeah? And in fact, this needs to be bolded. Okay. So now we can just take the format painter again and ta-da! Like my son says, 1.3. And then we take this. I'm going to do this for you, but this is good. This is a good way to do this. You know why, Harriet? You can do the, you can create automatically the table of contents in no time. I'm going to show you how to do this in due time, all right? So if you do this, the system, the Word, the Microsoft Word processing software will be able to easily detect the numbering, yeah? So that it will detect which page number is started, and you will be able to create a very easy table of contents at the very beginning of your thesis, right? Okay, I think this is it, right? However, I don't like the fact that these guys don't start from here. I'm gonna okay. So now this should be okay. Yeah, if you do that, it's better, right? Let's do that instead. So let's just move the bottom one all the way like that. And now you have a neat, very neat headers, right? So here we go. Maybe it is better if we have it rejoining the text of the paragraph. Yeah, and now you have very nicely formatted report. This will also help you in the future when you're making reports in general. You can keep this as is. It's not a big deal. You can keep this as is. Up to you, whatever you like. I am the kind of person who who loves symmetry so much, so I'm probably gonna put it this way. But it's up to you what you need to do. All right, so here we go. Looking good. I rephrase some of the stuff. Et al. When you're having like a person here, if for example this author has other co-authors with her, you don't type it this way. You just put it as et al. You see? I used Grammarly, in fact. You see? So you need the period at the end. Yeah, just to make sure. Okay, here we go. All right, so I think you are ready to go. I just scanned it very quickly. You need the references, definitely. You need to always submit the references. So I'm gonna copy that. Over here, you need to rewrite this. So I'm gonna share with you, let me share with you Sankani's paper, one of the papers here. Yeah, let me show you something, and maybe you can be guided. So over here at the very end, we didn't write this paper is organized. We didn't write anything like that. Okay, I'll share with you then. Maybe here, did we? No. So okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share with you my own paper. Let me just check something. Okay. Let me show you. This is a paper that I just recently submitted. So at the very end, this is how we write, how is this paper is organized. So we say the following section reviews the classical as critique method, blah, blah, blah. Section 3 addresses this and that. So put it in terms of a paragraph. If you want me to train you correctly, this is the way that we do it. If you want to keep it as is, what can I tell you? Keep it as is, but it is not the right way of writing a thesis. So you have chapters 2 covers the review of the literature. Then chapter 3 explains the methodology, 4 covers the findings, and 5 is the conclusion, I believe. Yeah. So I'm going to just, I copied the paragraph for you. So you could use this paragraph if you want to be guided in writing the structure of the thesis report or the report, something like that. Okay, the paper, if you want to keep it as a paper, it's all right. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so in this you need to change, I think. And also over here, review it again, please. I mixed together the research question and the questions and the objectives because both sections were like, one section was so small, the objectives, right? It was only like a 3 bullet points or numbered list. I think it doesn't look good. Let's fatten it up. So I added both of them, like I merged both of them together, and you still have a beautiful chapter, a very long chapter up to 1.7, 1.8 in fact. So please, follow this advice. You're not going to regret it. Trust me. So here's the chapter 3. Then you have chapter 4. Oh, what did I do? Yeah. Then you have chapter 4. And then you have chapter 5. And then, let me help you a little because really I've not been asking for so much help from me. So allow me to help you a little. And here is the like it in all capitals. Okay. Of course, you need to keep consistent. So please type in your references if you don't mind. And let's make all these start right there. Right? Okay. Very good. Good. Also this one. Consistency is the key for a very good looking thesis. And here, let me just add for you the page break, and now here we go. You have the references here, and you could start writing references right away. Okay. With the references, I believe with the references, you probably don't need the double. You're just gonna be fine with the 1.5, yeah. And 11 should be fine. So this is with the references, okay. So start writing your references right away. Will make your life easier. Okay, here we go. I added also the page number, so right now you have almost like 7 pages. I think populated pages with text is about 7 maybe. Yeah, 7. The others are just for the remaining chapters. I hope this will encourage you to carry on with your thesis. You know what, Harriet, let me help you further. Would like to also send you Sankani's paper anyway, because Sankani's paper has kind of like read the methodology, be guided by the methodology. I don't know about you, but when I was discussing with Sankani, I just found out that she knows, but she just doesn't know how to put it in writing. Please do not copy the exact same, but the methodology should have probably be the same. If you have been in Professor Blackwood's course, probably this is a legit methodology. In fact, we went to a conference and the professor graduated from Harvard, graduated from Stanford, from Hitotsubashi University. She's the only thing that they said is good about the paper. One of the things that they said that was good about the paper is actually the methodology. The method is valid and it's very well described. This is one of the good feedback about the paper I'm going to pass on to you. So it's very much detailed. It's very important that you include a table of the profiles of the people that you are interviewing. By the way, this is we've written a couple of papers. I'm going to send you the one with it's okay. I'm going to send you the one that had more details. Okay, so thank you so much, Harriet, for your hard work. It's really amazing. It's been really awesome. If you want, I can send you also this paper. You can just be guided by the abstract, because you need to write an abstract, right? So this is an abstract of this paper. So maybe if you can read the paper, you can understand what is she trying to say here. She's trying to say what she's doing in this paper. Then why is the paper important? And then some of the results and findings. If you want, I can also send you this paper. Not sure. I will send it to you, and you could be guided also by the way. It's different. It's a different paper. It's a different format. So I don't think that you would be benefiting much from this paper. It's totally, completely a different format than your work. So maybe I'm just not going to waste your time with it. So, oh wow, I need to fix this table, apparently. Oh no, oh man, I hope I didn't submit it this way. Okay, so I will see you then. This is it for now. And I thank you so much for your hard work. I will talk to you soon.